Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. We have some low cost ideas that will really suit your personal style preferences, and this hairstyle today will give you ideas on how you can style and maintain your new hair cut. These styles are flattering, they are stylish hairstyles for older matured women, and they are a great option for beautiful matured women because it's easy to style and it's customized to really suit your face shape. And these styles are versatile and elegant options for older matured women and can be styled in a variety of ways, from the sleek to straight, even to curly and textured hair. And you can see the style on your screen. There are many ways for you to style your short low cut, because we have styles from bold to the edgy to soft and feminine haircut ideas for beautiful black women. There are many ways for you to style your hair. We have different cuts like the top part low cut, we have the boys cut, we have the high and tight cuts, we have natural cuts with low cut, many different cuts, which will be bringing one after the other for you guys to try. So it's just for you to make your choice and take the style to your barber for them to give you the best of styles. Don't forget to always stay locked to Wendy Styles to always determine the best low cut ideas for your face shape and your hair texture. Well, if you really want a blonde cut that will add a soft and feminine touch to your look while still maintaining that sexy and modern edgy style, this haircut is for you, because you can see the highlight can really add dimension and texture to your hair, giving you that fresh and youthful look. You can see the hairstyles can really draw attention to your face and your eyes and cheekbone, and you can see how the hairstyle looks so beautiful on her. So it's good to consult with our professional stylist for you to determine the best short hairstyle for your face shape, your hair texture, and your personal style preference. That is why we are here in Wendy Styles, to provide you tips on how you can style and maintain your new haircut. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you guys, and stay locked for more beautiful shows.
I'll put you in front of my